Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Excel chapter 4 Greater Cumulative Rockwell Auto Sales. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes, and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. Please reach me out for your other courses like my lab accounting, my lab finance, my lab Excel, my lab Word, my lab PowerPoint, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python, nursing, medical, and many more online courses. My WhatsApps and email are given in the first slide of this video. You can scan my WhatsApp and directly come on my WhatsApp chat and we will deal for this course. I will do your complete simulation training, all simulation exam, midterm exam, final exam and all assignments project with very reasonable prices. Now I am going to start my assignment to solve step by step. Please focus on my PC screen and you can done your assignment by watching this video. If you do not able to do this assignment, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this complete assignment and complete course for you with A plus grade. Let's we will go to the MyIT Lab Pearson. We will go to Excel chapter 4 and then click on Excel chapter 4 Greater Cumulative Rockwell Auto Sales. We will open this file and click on continue button. We will download this file our PC. First click on download material button, click on download all file button. All file will be downloaded in our download folder. We will open our instruction file first, click on enable editing button. Okay, we will increase the font size of this file. This is the 25 session and 22. This is the same session of Excel. Zoom it. The title of assignment is Exp22, Exp25, Excel chapter 4 Cumulative Assessment AutoSales. Here is the title of assignment and here is the project description to get idea about your project. Then we will move on. Next question is question number 1. The question number 1 is that start Excel, download and 1 second. This is 25, Exp25. We will save this file as Exp25. Okay, start Excel, download and open the file name Exp25, Excel chapter 4, Cumulative Assessment AutoSales Excel as Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of file name. Okay, we will open our Excel workbook. Basically in this question we will download this file easily from your Pearson portal. I have also downloaded this file from a Pearson portal. Now I am going to do question number 2. The question number 2 is that convert the data in the range A1 to F104 on the flat information worksheet to a table. Name the table inventory and apply the gold style medium 19. The first point of this question is that we will convert the data in the range A4 to F10 on the flat information worksheet to a table. We will select this range A4 to F104. Go to the flat information sheet, select this data, go to the insert tab. In the tables group, click on the table button and then convert this data into a table. Okay. Then we will name the table is inventory. Name the table inventory and apply gold. Go to the table design tab in the properties group, click on table name box. We will assign our name to a table is properties. Inventory. Okay, press enter. Then apply the gold table style medium 19. Go to the table design tab in the table style group. We will apply, go to the medium and gold medium style 19 is here. You can see I have applied this style on this table. Now I am going to next question is question number 3. Remove duplicates records. Basically in this question we will remove duplicates record in our table. We will remove duplicates record our table. Go to the Excel workbook and then click on table design tab. In the tools group, click on remove duplicates button. Click on OK button. 3 duplicates value found and removed, so unique value remain. Okay. Now I am going to do next question of this assignment is question number 4. The question number 4 is that sort the table by make in alphabetical order. Add a second level to sort by year smallest to largest and a third level to sort by sticker price smallest to largest. Basically, this question we will sort the table, okay, by make in alphabetical order. Okay, sort the table by make in alphabetical order. We will go to our Excel workbook and then we will sort the table make in. We will go to the home tab. In the editing group, click on sort and filter button, click on custom sort. Okay, we will add level is make, is alphabetical order. We will and add a second level to sort by year smallest to largest. Okay, we will have to add a second level by year smallest to largest. We will have to add a second level by year smallest to largest. Click on add level. Add level is year smallest to largest. Then we will have to add a third level. Third level to sort by sticker price smallest to largest. We will have to add a third level is sticker price. Click on add level. We will select sticker price is smallest to largest. Add sticker price smallest to largest. Then we will click on OK button. Table will be sorted. Click on OK button. Table will be sorted. Now I am going to do next question is question number 5. Set the field names to repeat on all pages when printed. Okay. Go to the page layout tab in the page setup group. Open page setup dialog box launcher. Row to repeat atop, we will select first row, click on OK button. Okay, now I am going to do question number 6. I have done 5 questions right now. Now I am going to do question number 6 of this assignment. The question number 6 of this assignment is that okay, question number 6. Change page breaks so each vehicle make is printed on a separate page. Okay, we will have to change page break so each vehicle make is printed on a separate page. Okay, basically in this question we will insert a page break for each separate vehicle. Okay, we will go to the view tab. In the workbook view group, click on page break preview button. Then we will change page break so each vehicle make is printed. First is here is okay BMW, B, Ford and Honda. Here is the Ford, and then click on insert page break on Honda, and after Honda and Toyota. Okay, click on the page break. In the page setup group, click on break button and then click on insert page break. Okay, insert page break inserted for each separate vehicle. You can see Honda, Toyota, Ford and BMW. Now I am going to do next question of this assignment. The next question of this assignment is question number 7. Freeze the first row on the flat information worksheet. Okay. Okay, we will go to the flat information worksheet and then we will freeze the first row. Please, if you do not able to do this assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this complete assignment for you with A plus grade. We will go to the Excel workbook. Go to the flat information worksheet, select row 1, go to the view tab. In the window group, click on freeze pane button, click on freeze pane button. Okay, first row will be frozen. Okay. Sorry, freeze, unfreeze, and then we will select civic Prius. Go to the page, insert page break for civic Prius. Okay, then we'll select first row, then go to the view tab. In the window group, click on freeze pane button, click on freeze top row. Top row will be frozen. Now I am going to do question number 8. The question number 8 is that add a footer with your name on the left side, the sheet name code in the center, and the file name code on the right side. Basically, in this question, we will have to add a footer. Go to the home tab. Okay, sorry. We will go to the page layout tab. In the page setup group, first we will click on page layout tab. In the margins, go to the go to the page setup group. Click on header and footer. Click on custom footer. Okay, we will have to add a file name is the your name Williams in the left section. William in the left section, and then the sheet name code in the center. Sheet name code in the center, and then file name in the right side of the section. Click on OK button. This footer will be added in this file. Now I am going to do question number 9 of this assignment. The question number 9 is that click or navigate to the sales information worksheet and convert the data to a table. Name the table sales and apply the green table style dark 11. Click or navigate to the sales information worksheet. We will switch sales information worksheet. Click on sales information worksheet. Then convert the data to a table. The name is table. The name table is sales. We will convert the data to a table. We will go to the insert tab. In the tables group, click on table button, and then we will create table. Click on OK button. This data will be converted into a table. The table name is sales. We will copy this name sales. We will go to the table design tab. In the properties group, click on table name box, and then we will type name is sales. We will assign our table to a sales name and apply the green table style dark 11. Then we will apply the green table style dark 11. We will go to the table style and then go to the dark, apply green dark 11. You can see here green table style dark 11 is here. We will apply this style on the table. Now we will move on next question. I have done this question so well. The next question of this assignment is question number 10. Question number 10 is that we will type hash of sticker in cell E1. We will click on cell E1 and then we will type hash of sticker. We will go to the Excel workbook, click on cell E1. In the formula bar, we will type hash of sticker. Okay, press enter. Now I am going to do question number 11. I have done 10 questions of this assignment right now. The question number 11 is that create a formula with structure reference to the calculate the percentage of sticker price in column E. Okay, create a formula with structure references to the calculate percentage of sticker price in column E. We will go to our Excel workbook, click on column E, and then we will create a formula with structure references to calculate the price is equal to in column E for first quarter sales. We will price is equal to and then sales price dividing by sticker price. This is the structure references formula. Sales price dividing by sticker price. Okay. Then we will press enter. It will be find percentage of stickers in cell E1. Now question number 12 is that format the range E2 to E30 with person style number format. We will select this range. We will go to the Excel workbook, select this range. In the range area, go to the home tab in the number group, click on percentage style on this range. The next question is question number 13. I have done. I just show you 12 question in my video. Now I am uploading my file and I will show my grade which I have got in this assignment. Click on upload button. Click on continue button. You can see I have got 98.75 out of 100. It's mean I have got A plus grade in this assignment. Please contact me on my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in the description and shown on the bottom of the screen and given in the first slide of this video. You can easily contact me and we will deal for this course. I will do this complete assignment for you with A plus grade with very reasonable price. Okay, it's not free, it's paid. And I will do your complete course with A plus grade. I will do your all simulation training, all simulation exam, midterm exam and final exam with A plus grade. And please reach me out for your other courses like my lab accounting, my lab finance, my lab Excel, my lab Word, my lab PowerPoint, writing, economic, Java, C++, nursing and many more online courses. I will provide you A plus grade. I am handling many students courses on Engagement tab, my Attila Pearson, MC Grahel Semnet, Blackboards, and many more colleges and universities. Thank you so much to my all students. Best of luck. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck.